Today, I'll be teaching as to how to find the Johansen cointegration among the variables in R. Kindly check the optimal lag video relating to R for basic steps. That is, first it is essential to view the file, later attach it, later it is necessary to install packages, that is vars or URCA. I'll repeat it once again. First you have to view your data file, later attach the data file, later install the package either vars, VARS or URCA. Now we will be typing the command for Johansen cointegration. Since I've already downloaded and installed the package, that's why I've got library vars. So I can do any one, either vars or URCA. So we are going for the command. So for the Johansen cointegration, you can give any name, that is model. It is left to you. You can either keep it as Johansen or model 1 or my model, whatever it is equal to ca.jo. So that refers to just ca.jo. Whenever it prompts, you just click over here, then only you'll get the brackets. So ca.jo refers to Johansen cointegration. Then next one, you have to type your variable. For that, data frame. Why data.frame is used? When you have got more than one variable. So data frame and then your variables GDP, comma, FDI. As earlier told, with the help of comma you can add n number of variables. Later, after the bracket, just come out, put a comma and type ECDET. ECDET represents the constant, trend or none. So the usual term used is constant. So ECDET is equal to constant. For that, with the help of shift key, inverted commas, type CONST alone, and then later put a comma and type the word type. That is what type of test you are going to use, whether trace statistics or eigen. So type is equal to, first I go for trace, and then it is wrong. First I have to, with the help of shift key, I have to put inverted commas and then type trace. A smaller mistake, you will never get the results in R. Then later put a comma. So you have to put capital K for representing the lag. So in my earlier analysis, I said that I'll be taking a lesser number of lag. That is the criterion which I am going to use will be SC, where the optimal lag suggested is 2. So K is equal to 2. And later click enter, then type summary. Whenever it prompts, you just click over summary of what? My model. That is model, not my. I have not typed my, rather I have typed it as model, and then click enter. So the results have appeared. Now we have to check the results over here. So here you have got two co-integrating equation. So this is your we are doing the test for trace. So this is the test statistics for the trace, and we are going to choose the 5% level. In most of the statistical analysis, your p-value is 5%. So we have taken that. So your test statistics is greater than 5%. What does that mean? If the test value is greater than 5%, then we have to reject the null hypothesis. So the null hypothesis states that there is no co-integration. So if the test statistics is greater than 5%, then we have to reject the null hypothesis. Then there is co-integration. If there is co-integration, we have to do VECM, that is vector error correction model. If there is no co-integration, then we can go for VAR model. So we have done this for trace. Now we'll do for eigen. For that we'll just copy the command over here. Just copy it and paste it down. So instead of trace, you will be using eigen. And then click enter. Summary and summary of what? The model, and then click enter. So you have got the results for eigenvalue. So these are the two co-integrating equation. So this is the test statistics, that is 95.17, and this one at 5% level, it is 15.0. So the test value is greater than the 5% level, then we can say that there is co-integration among the variables. In certain cases, the eigen or trace might not show co-integration. If any one of the tests shows co-integration, you can carry on with your analysis. There is no issue. One. Second thing, there might be two co-integrating equations or three co-integrate, depending upon the number of variables you have chosen. In that case, it is better to go for one co-integrating equation for easy interpretation of the results. Hope you are clear with this. Thank you for listening.